First, let's go ahead and get this wheel off. Then we'll remove these 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Bada bing, bada boom. With those bolts out, this whole case cover will come right off. And we're in. Now I want to pull this one and this one. You're going to be replacing this gear and this gear. This gear is pressed on, so if you don't have a press, make sure to order the pre-pressed gears. I'm going to press that one off and press this one on. This one, you just swap it out with another one. And it's that simple, folks. I pressed my new gear on, I swapped my gear, and now all we got to do is clean up the gasket material, put a new gasket on, and put it back together. There you have it, new gears.